How to fix Roblox cursor glitch. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox cursor glitch. First of all, click on Start. Tap on Settings. Click on System from Settings. Go into Display and change the size of the text app into the recommended size. Then check the resolution is set on Recommended Setting. Go back to Setting, click on Apps. Go into Roblox, click on it. There's only the uninstall option. Close the page. Then go back to Start and reset the PC. After that, open the Microsoft Store. Here search Roblox. Open the app, then click to get the app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.